quick, simple video here, but I actually get this question a lot. How to open a 5-gallon bucket. Latex is how I often get 5-gallon buckets. And there are actually, on this style, there are normally punched holes around the ring. There's probably 8 or 10 of them or so. But they don't always go all the way through the plastic, so you need to put a flashlight there, and now it's that glowing dot right here. That tells me that the plastic is thin right there. That's where it's thinnest. And then you can see another one over here as I move the flashlight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and stick a screwdriver, just a Phillips head screwdriver, through that plastic. It's thin enough where it shouldn't be a problem to just shove it through. Once I put it through, all right, I'm going to pop that up a little bit. Just twist to pop that seal. Here's another one. And now my screwdriver is through the ring, but there's this lip of material here still. So I'm going to pry it, and I give it a little bit of a twist, and that lets me break through the plastic. Now, once it's identified, you can always cut that with a heavy-duty like carpet razor knife if you wanted to, or nippers. I have always just done the screwdriver. I feel that is safer. It's very difficult to stab through the bucket, so don't worry about that. Be safe. Screwdriver in, just push it down. You can kind of hear each one of these popping as I go around and do it. And see, and sometimes you can't see them, so there we go. So now I can just very simply pop all these tabs up and my bucket is open. So that's how you open a 5-gallon bucket.